Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to share with you my favorite way to make my health shake. I know that lots of you are going to be getting your Shakeology in the mail. You maybe are receiving some packets from me from a prize that I've done in my free group, or maybe you just want to tweak your recipe a little bit. So I just want to share with you my favorite way to make Shakeology, and hopefully this will help you find your perfect mix, because I really do find that with this shake, you really need to find what the consistency that you really like, which means maybe you like it thinner or thicker or whatever, but this is what I like and what I usually do most mornings. So I always use about 4 ounces of, I hope you can see that, I use cashew milk, so unsweetened, but you can certainly use coconut milk, you can use almond milk. If you're on the 21-day fix, as long as you keep it to about 2 to 3 ounces, you can have that for free. You don't have to count that as anything. But if you're gonna go over and above that, you're gonna need to count that as a yellow container. So I would keep it to a bare minimum so you don't have to use your coveted yellow container for that. So I use a magic bullet. So I always have, it's just the perfect size for me, and I don't measure anymore because I kind of know, but there would be how much almond milk or cashew milk I would use, and it's unsweetened. You do not, if you're going to use the sweetened, you're going to have to count it, okay? And then I will take my scoop of Shakeology. Today I'm going to use chocolate, and I'll tell you why. So my scoop of Shakeology goes in there. Now, I always have trouble getting my blue containers in. I would love to use my blue containers with almonds, but unfortunately I can't stop at 12 almonds. So unless I'm having something that needs cheese, I often find it difficult to find blue container. I also do not like avocado. I hate it, actually. However, I find if I mix it in my shake, it makes the shake really nice and smooth and really nice and creamy. So for me, it's a way to get my blue in, and you know, it adds some good healthy fat to my shake. So today I'll probably have a little bit of feta cheese on my salad tonight, so I'm gonna leave a little space for that. But I'm using about 3/4 of my blue with some avocado. So that is going right into my magic bullet. Okay, so if you love blue, if you love avocado and you really don't want to waste that, I would take half a banana. So you could use a purple, a fruit serving, and put half a banana in this, and that will make it nice and creamy as well. I also always use the boost. So Shakeology, I don't know if you can see that. Shakeology makes different boosts, and I have a little bit of trouble with digestion. So a couple times a week, I'll use about a half a scoop of digestive blend, but that's just something that I do for my system, and it works well. There's 3 different boosts that you can put, so they're just kind of giving you this extra kick into your Shakeology. If you find you're not getting enough vegetables during the day, there's one called Power Greens. If you find that you, in the middle of the day, you need that kind of kick that coffee might give you, there's one called Focused Energy. So if you have questions about the boosts, you can certainly message me. So there I have everything in my shake that I'm going to use, like food-wise. And now I usually add some ice. I always add some ice. So I would say for myself, I like mine pretty creamy. So I add about, that looks like about 8 or 9 ice cubes. And then I fill it to the max line with water. I shake it really well, and then I blend it. And I blend it for about a minute. I actually blend it for quite a long time on the Magic Bullet, so it gets really nice and creamy, and it gets it to the consistency that I like. So there you have it. That's how I make my health shake every single day. I usually either have it for breakfast, or actually sometimes I'll have it at the very end of the day. I find that that's when I'm really wanting to get into the pantry and really get some snacks. So sometimes I leave it because I find that it really helps with my cravings. If I have it at night, I will just mix it with my unsweetened almond or cashew milk, my water, and my ice. I don't usually add anything else to it if I'm having it at night. So I hope that helps with you finding your perfect mix.